Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into something that's going to completely change how we interact with technology: Google's new AR smart glasses. And no, this isn't some reboot of the original Google Glass or a clunky VR headset strapped to your face. What Google's cooking up now is so sleek, so subtle, and so smart, you might walk right past someone wearing them and not even realize it. That's kind of the whole point. A new era of wearable tech. Subtle, seamless, and smart. Let's kick things off with this. Imagine wearing a pair of glasses that look no different from your everyday specs. But they can translate languages in real time, recognize objects around you, and even help you find your lost keys. That's where Google is heading, and it's nothing short of futuristic. Unlike the bulky and obvious mixed reality headsets we've seen from Apple, Meta, and Samsung, Google's smart glasses are all about minimalism and blending in. They're designed to look normal, yet function like something out of science fiction. You won't find any flashy lights, bulky side panels, or wraparound visors. What you get is an ultra-light, comfortable, and surprisingly normal-looking piece of eyewear that's secretly loaded with AI-driven features. This is Google saying, "Hey, let's make wearable tech feel human again." The first public glimpse. Real-time translation. That feels like magic. During a live event, the glasses were demoed on stage by Cher Amirzadeh, and it caught everyone off guard. At first glance, there was nothing unusual. The design was that convincing. But the moment the demo began, jaws dropped. The glasses began translating Farsi to English in real time, like watching subtitles appear in midair as someone was speaking. It wasn't clunky or awkward. It was smooth, natural, and just worked. This wasn't a sci-fi movie. It was a real-time demo happening live, right in front of a crowd. The glasses even scanned a book using image recognition, identifying and understanding the content printed on the page. Imagine that for a second. You're traveling abroad, can't understand a menu, sign, or brochure. Just glance at it, and the glasses handle the rest. That's the promise of context-aware augmented reality. AR that doesn't just overlay visuals, but enhances your world intelligently and with purpose. Introducing AI Memory. Never lose your stuff again, but it gets even cooler. Google introduced a concept feature called Memory. Picture this. You're someone who constantly forgets where you placed your phone, keys, wallet, whatever. We've all been there. With the Memory feature, the glasses can recall where you've seen or interacted with certain objects. Misplaced your keys? Ask the glasses. If they saw it earlier, they can help you retrace your steps visually. This isn't just convenience. This is life-enhancing intelligence, made possible by AI and AR working in harmony. That level of smart assistance is unprecedented in wearables. We've seen object tracking in apps and GPS-based reminders, but this is visually aware AI that remembers what you saw. Welcome to the future of augmented memory. Why these AR glasses feel so light and comfortable? You're probably thinking, how can something this capable be so lightweight and sleek? Here's the secret. The glasses don't do the heavy lifting themselves. Instead, they're paired with your smartphone, which handles all the intense computing, AI processing, and connectivity. The glasses simply stream and relay data back and forth. This architecture offloads power-hungry tasks to the phone, allowing the glasses to remain minimal and comfortable. No fans, no overheating, no massive battery packs hanging off your head. Compare that to devices like the Apple Vision Pro or Samsung's XR headset, and it's a totally different approach. Those devices are immersive, sure, but they're also bulky, expensive, and isolating. Google's glasses? They're designed for everyday life, not virtual escapism. A clear vision. Google's strategy versus the competition. Let's zoom out and look at the big picture. Right now, the XR and AR market is booming. Everyone from Apple to Meta to Samsung is trying to stake their claim. Apple is going high-end with the Vision Pro, delivering cinematic visuals, spatial computing, and full-blown AR/VR immersion. Samsung is working on its own mixed reality platform, focused on power and performance. Meta, meanwhile, is aiming at more casual and social experiences with things like the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses and the rumored Hypernova project, which seems closer to Google's minimalistic route. But here's the difference. Google's play is subtle. They're not chasing immersion, they're chasing invisibility. These glasses are designed to disappear into your lifestyle, not dominate it. That's a major shift in philosophy, and one that could end up being far more impactful in the long run. The power. Behind it all, Gemini 2.0. AI under the hood. All this functionality is driven by none other than Google's Gemini 2.0 AI system. The next-gen large language model designed to understand and react to the world in real time, Gemini 2.0 isn't just about language processing, it's multimodal, which means it can handle text, speech, vision, and context simultaneously. That's why these glasses are able to translate conversations, recognize objects, scan printed text, and recall past interactions. It's all thanks to the deeply integrated AI brain powering it. In a world where AI assistants are becoming the new norm, wearable AI is the logical next step. The ability to seamlessly interact with your environment without needing to pull out your phone or open an app makes everything faster, more natural, and more human. Practical use cases. Everyday benefits of Google's smart glasses. Let's break down some real-world situations where these glasses would shine. Traveling abroad. Instantly translate signs, menus, and conversations without fumbling with your phone. Classroom learning. See subtitles while your professor speaks a foreign language. Reading on the go. Scan a book or document and understand its contents immediately. Smart reminders. Ask the glasses where you last saw your water bottle, wallet, or even your pet. Accessibility. Help those with hearing impairments by providing live subtitles. Navigation. Subtle visual cues overlaid on your field of vision, guiding you to your destination. This is augmented reality done right. Practical, non-intrusive, and tailored for real human problems, not just flashy tech demos. Still in development, but serious potential. Here's what we know so far. There's no confirmed release date, no official specs on battery life, and pricing remains a mystery. Google is currently rolling out the smart glasses to a small group of early testers and internal employees. They're clearly in the experimental phase, but it's not just a side project. Google has made it clear that this is a serious step toward consumer-ready AR wearables. And given their track record with Android, search, and AI development, they've got the tech and infrastructure to pull it off. This is also Google's opportunity to redeem themselves from the original Google Glass, which was ahead of its time, but failed to connect with mainstream users. This time around, the strategy is user-first, fashion-forward, and functionally powerful. Key features. Breakdown: real-time language translation, context-aware, object recognition AI-based memory. Recall lightweight, normal-looking design paired processing. Via smartphone powered by Gemini 2.0, AI early beta testing stage. The future of wearables is here, and it's invisible. Google's new AR smart glasses are a powerful reminder that technology doesn't need to scream to be heard. In fact, the quieter it becomes, the more natural it feels. These glasses aren't just a cool gadget. They represent a fundamental shift in how we'll interact with digital information in the physical world. No screens, no interruptions, just useful, seamless assistance when you need it most. So while Apple and Samsung compete for headset dominance, and Meta continues building out the metaverse, Google is carving out its own lane. A lane where AR becomes a natural part of our daily lives, without making us look like cyborgs. If they pull this off, and all signs suggest they're on the right track, Google could become the leader in invisible augmented reality.